In this video, I'll show you how to purchase data on Saily so that you can use the internet in a foreign country for messaging or other purposes. You will need to sign up for an account and then sign into it. At the bottom, click Credits. On the top, click Buy Data Plan. Search for the country you're going to. In this case, I will purchase the 3 GB plan. This will be valid for 30 days and has 3 GB of data that you can use in a foreign country. Price is $10.99. You do have 30 days to activate it. So, for example, you can buy it today and you can just activate it right before you travel. Then it will be valid for 30 days. You can enter this code to save $5. Then you need to enter your credit card information. After you purchase the data plan, at the bottom left corner, click eSIMs. And then you need to install the eSIM that you just purchased. In the middle of the screen, click Install eSIM. And at the bottom, click Install eSIM. When activated successfully, on the upper right corner, the reception icon will look a little different. This is because now your phone is receiving two SIM cards, two signals. One, your regular carrier. Second, the new eSIM. You need to go into the settings in your cellular service and click into the eSIM that you just activated. Look for the option to turn on data roaming. This will allow you to receive data right away once you arrive in the foreign country. You can turn off this line, for example, on the upper right corner. You can turn off this SIM card whenever you want. And at the end of your trip, you may also delete this eSIM so that your phone is not receiving two receptions and burning your battery. You can monitor your data usage on the app. If you do run out of data within the validity period, you have options to add data automatically or add data manually.